simple steps that will surely help you in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a very important part of your online business. It involves your particular needs and goals. The world of affiliate marketing has so many programs, products, and strategies that can seem a bit confusing as to where you need to begin. These tips can help you make sense of the confusion. Place keywords in website content. By doing this, the search engines will recognize that your site is probably related to certain keywords and rank the site accordingly. But take care to do this naturally. Abnormal keyword stuffing seems unnatural and unreadable to some. Just use the keywords in a conversational way. In affiliate marketing, you need to express to your readers that they can trust you. Do not post ads that you do not believe in or have any interest in, they will know. If you appear to be a phony condoning something you don't believe in, that will drive away your readers and they won't trust anything you have to say. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, make sure to consider the needs of your site's audience. You want to select a product that is relevant to your readers, otherwise it will make you appear like a con artist that is just after their money. Focus on your niche market and recommend only products and services that are relevant to them, and they will be more likely to follow links and buy. If you want to make some decent money, look for a program that actually helps you make sales. Join a program that offers resources to help you present the product and convince your customers. A good affiliate program should also offer a kind of crash course about effective sales techniques. Affiliate marketing is entirely a personal tactic for you to use for the promotion of your online business, so that you can have more sales and bigger profits. As you have seen in these tips, there are various approaches, but they are all created around the idea of promoting your business in a positive light. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.